Chapter 2 Life with Cat. After a few hours by the fire, the fat cat was warm, dry, and very cozy. The fat cat sat in Dragon's lap and purred. "It's too cold for you to go back outside," said Dragon, "so you will have to stay here with me." The fat cat did not seem to mind. "And if you are going to stay with me," Dragon said, "I will have to give you a name." Dragon tried to think of a name for the fat cat. "I will call you Cat," said Dragon. Cat was a very good name for a cat. "If you are going to live at my house," said Dragon, "you will need a bed to sleep in." So Dragon took a big brown basket and filled it with soft blankets. Then he wrote Cat's name on the side. Dragon put Cat's bed down on the floor next to his own bed. "How do you like your new bed?" Dragon asked. But the cat was already fast asleep. And soon, so was Dragon.